Okay, good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, what did we discuss the topic? What did we discuss? We learn the topic, or we discuss the topic errors and approximations. Errors and approximations. This is errors and approximation. This one. Once again, I will recall them. What is the errors happen? The error in y. The error in y is delta y. The error in y is delta y. The error in area, delta A. The error in volume, delta V. Okay. The relative error, second one. The relative error. The relative error in y is delta y by y. Relative error in error. Relative error in area, delta A by A. Relative error in volume, delta V by V. Okay. Next. Third one. Percentage. Percentage error in y. Percentage error in y equal to delta y by y into 100. Okay. So, delta y is approximately equal to dy. Delta y formula f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Dy is equal to f dash of x into delta x. Delta y formula. Okay. Error in y. These are both are approximately equal. So, f of x plus delta x is equal to f dash of x into delta x plus f of x. This formula, when we have to apply, find the approximate values of the given function or any function. Find the approximate value of the given function. So, by using this formula, this is the errors and approximations, main formulas. Yesterday, some formulas we are discussed. Okay. So which type of formulas are discussed? Root of 25.3, root of 99 point something, this one. Fourth root 2, fifth root 2, this type one. So, once again, one more problem. (32.15) whole power 1 by 5. One example. 32.15 whole power 1 by 5. Whole power 1 by 4, that is the fifth root. So, what is f of x? F of x is equal to x power 1 by 5. The any one we have to given. But these are x power 1 by 5. Next, what is x? Perfect root value. So, E 32.15 is equal to 32 plus 0.15 whole power 1 power 5. Because why convert into 32 plus 0.15? 32 is the fifth root. 32 whole power 1 by 5 is equal to 2. Okay. 2 power 5 value. 2 power 5 value 2 into 4, 8, 16, 32. So, this one 32. 32 whole power 1 by 5 is equal to 32 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5, that is equal to 2. And perfect value perfect root is there. 32 have perfect root. That's why convert into 32 plus, because 32 point something. Another problem, 31.9 something is given. 31.9 given means 30, for example 31.97 we have to given. So this is also 32 minus 0.03. 31.97 0.073 10 30. So minus anyone near perfect value. Near perfect value. The 32 plus means no doubt. Means 31 something means this is extra credit. 32 minus. Okay, this is the conversion. So x is equal to what? X is equal to 32. Delta x is equal to what? Okay, delta x is equal to remaining fraction value plus 0.5. This one minus 0.03. Okay, delta x is equal to plus 0.15. This is the value. So f of x plus delta x is equal to formula f dash of x into delta x plus f of x. So f of x is equal to x power 1 by 5. F of x is equal to x power 1 by 5. F dash of x is equal to f dash of x is x power n formula. Derivative of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. 1 by 5 minus 1. So 1 by 5 whole power minus 4 by 5. This is the f dash of x. 1 by 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 4 by 5. So f dash of x is equal to 1 by 5 into x power minus 4 by 5. Delta x is equal to 0.15 plus f of x is equal to x power 1 by 5. So substitute x value. 1 by 5 into x is equal to 32 whole power minus 4 by 5 into 0.15 plus 32 whole power 1 by 5. So that is equal to 1 by 5 into 2 power minus 4, 2 power 5, 5 cancel, into 0.15 plus 2. So that is equal to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 value 16. 2 power 4 value 16. 2 power minus 4 value 1 by 16. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 16 into 0.15 plus 2. So 1 by 80. Simplification 0.15 by 16 into 5 80 by 80. 0.15 by 80. Okay, that is equal to 0.15 by 80, 5s, 5 1s, 5 6, 5 3s, 0.03. Okay, 0.03, that is equal to 0.03 by 16 is equal to, that is equal to 3 by 1600. 3 by multiply 100 numerator denominator. Multiply 100 means 0.03 into 100 is equal to 3 into 1600. So multiply 3 into 1600. So first point 10, next 0 in 0, next 0 in 0. So 16 2s 32,000, 16 1s 1600, 1600 means 1400. 1400, this is 140. So 8s, okay, 0.0018. So 0.0018 plus 2, that is equal to answer 2.0018. 2.0018, and all calculations. Okay, this is one. Okay. Okay. Already you did this type of calculation in physics. Point of fractions, point of calculation. Okay. Next, another model. Only find the approximate values. This is the first model. The second model, next find the approximate value of f of 2.01. Next one, find the approximate value of f of 2.01. Find the approximate value of f of 2.01, where f of x is equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2, where f of x is equal to 4x square plus 2. So solution, given f of x is equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 2, f of 2.01 is equal to 4 into 0.21 whole square plus 5 into 2.01 plus 2. So 4 into 2.01 into 2.01. Calculate. And 201 into 201. First we have to multiply without point. 201, so 201. 202, so 402. Okay, 201 into 201 entropy. Okay, first 1 so 1 so 1 0 1 2 so 0 0 0 2 1 so 2 2 zeros 2 2 4. So 1 2 2 4 4221. అంతేగా 201 201 3 zeros 201 1001 201 2 ones 2s సారీ ఇక్కడ కాదు కదా 4 4021 ఓకే 4 into 1s 2 200 2 2s 4 40 421 40 421 40 10 40 401 40 401 100,000 10,000 plus 5 into 2.01 2.01 into 5 5 ones 5 5 0 0 10 so 10.05 10.05 plus 2 so multiply this is 2.01 2.01 4 points means 1 2 3 4 point something. So next 4.0401 into 4 4 ones 4 4 0 0 4 4s 16 4 zeros 4 0 1 16 so 16 how many points 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 16 point 16.1604 plus 10.05 plus 2 16.1604 10.05 2 406511 to 28 so 28.2104 all calculations. First 2.01 whole square means 201 multiply and points 2 points after 2 plus 2 4 points 1 2 3 4 points into 4 say okay this problem is nearly 28.21 so all calculations okay clear or nothing simple only multiplication okay find the approximate change. Find the approximate change means error. Find approximate change in the volume. Approximate change in the volume. V of a cube. V of a cube of side x of side x x meters caused by increasing the side by 1 centimeter. Side by 1 centimeters. Cube volume. Approximate change means error. Error in the volume V. Which error? V. Volume error in the cube. Cube volume error. Find cube volume error. Cube volume error is nothing but delta V. Volume of the rate of the error in the volume is delta V. The approximate change is also error. Approximate change, increasing, decreasing, error, both are same. The error in the volume, find the error in the volume is delta V. We have to find out delta V. Solution. Delta V is equal to question mark. What we have to given? Side increasing. Side increasing means dx by x into 100 is equal to 1. Percentage. 1% we have to given. 1%. What is the percentage error in x? Percentage error in x is delta x by x into 100. Percentage error in y means delta y by y into 100. So x. 1% is 1. So what is the volume of the cube? Volume of cube is equal to what? X cube. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. dv by dx, differentiate with respect to x, because x. Not all problems with respect to x are not correct. So in the what is the given? X. Okay, side increasing rate. So dv by dx is equal to what? 3x square. The 3x square. So dv is equal to what? 3x square into dx. 3x square into dx. So dx by x is equal to into 100. Dx by x is equal to into 100. So this is next. dv by v is equal to 3x square. This is a percentage error given. Find out delta v by v into 100. Find out delta v by 100 is equal to question mark. Because the side percentage error given, find out the volume percentage error. 3x square into dx by v. So that is equal to 3x square into dx. What is v? X cube. V is equal to x cube. That is equal to x square, 1x cancel. That is equal to 3 into dx by x. 3 into dx by x. So finally dv by v into 100 is equal to 3 into dx by x into 100. So that is equal to 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 or 3% dv by v 100 is equal to the side increasing rate 1%, at the same time volume increasing rate 3%. Once again, the approximate change in the volume V of a cube, side x meters caused by the increasing the side by 1%. Side percentage error is given, but find out volume percentage error. Volume percentage error means dv by v into 100. Here dv by dt, here dv, here delta v by v, here dv by dt. What is the difference? So in the formula, delta y is approximately dy. Delta y is approximately dy. So derivative means d. in using the before derivative classes you did used the derivative means d not delta, so you have confusing, that's why delta y is equal to the dy. I did right. Okay. Okay, next one. Next question. If the radius of the sphere, is measured measured as 7 meter, with an error of 0.02 meters. Which error? The radius of the sphere measured 7 meters with an error. An error means which error? Radius error. So 0.02 meters. Then find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Radius r is equal to, what is the data first? Radius r is equal to 7 meters. Delta r is equal to 0.0 meters. Okay. Find the approximate error in the volume of the sphere. V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. So the given data is in terms of r. So we have to derive with respect to r. In before problem we have to given side measurement. Side is x. So with respect to x. Here given what data? R, radius. So the derivative with respect to r. In the rate measure compulsory must be maximum all problems with derivative with respect to t. Here not derivative with respect to t, by the depending on the given data. Okay. Differentiate with respect to r. So dv by dr is equal to 4/3 pi into r cube derivative 3r square. So dv is equal to 4/3 pi 3r square into dr. So 3 cancel, that is equal to 4 pi into r is equal to what? 7 into 0.02. So equal to 49. 49 into 4. 49 into 4 is equal to 4 9 36, 4 4 69, 196. 196 into 2. 196 into 2, 2 6, 12, 2 9s, 18, 19, 2 ones, 2, 3, 3.9, 3.92. So 3.92, 3.92 volume means meter cube per, this is the answer, meter cube. Okay, once again, in the radius of the sphere is measured as 7 meters. Radius in sphere, circle or anyone, so radius is denoted by r. With error of 0. With error, which error? Radius error. So find the approximate error in calculating its volume. Volume of the sphere. Derivative with respect to r, because the data is totally given in terms of r. So derivative with respect to r, 4 by 3 pi is constant, r cube derivative 3r square. So what we have to find out? Volume error. Volume error means delta V or dV, because delta V is approximately equal to dV. So derivative and apply multiply. Volume is volume measurements meter cube, centimeter cube, okay, kilometer cube, this is okay. One problem, homework matter, same problem. If the radius of a sphere, if the radius of a sphere is measured, measured, if measured as 9 meters with an error, which error? Radius is given and radius error, with an error 0.03 meters, then find the approximate error, then find the approximate error in calculating its surface area. Okay. Surface area of the sphere. Hint: surface area of sphere. Only volume of the sphere, you know, but surface of the sphere S is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, what we have to given? R is equal to 9 delta r or dr. Dr is equal to 0.03. Delta r is equal to 0.03. First we have to derive with respect to r. And substitute delta r and r. So surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square. Surface area of the cube 6x square. Okay. Tomorrow maybe the next topic maxima and minima. Okay. Thank you.